You need some knowledge of HTML, computer, a text editor, and your brain. Let's get started! At its most basic level, a web page is made out of HTML. HTML creates the text on the page and the basic structure of the information. But plain old HTML can get pretty boring, pretty fast. CSS gives it a makeover, so it's sexy like me. CSS gives you more tools to focus the user's attention on a part of the HTML page. So let's talk about more how it works. CSS is a very basic computer language with its own unique syntax. CSS determines how something will look by specifying a property and a value of that property. The property and value are separated by a colon. No, not that colon. Okay, yeah, that's better. So let's say we want to set a font size of an HTML element. Well, first we list the property font size, and then we give it the value. Let's say 12 pixels. Okay, but how does the HTML know what CSS is trying to say? That's where selectors come in. Selectors allow CSS to refer to a certain element of HTML. They are listed right before you specify a property and a value. Like this. Selector, opening brace, property value, and a closing brace. Let's say the text is enclosed in an h1 tag, creating an h1 element. The h1 tag can be the selector. Then the CSS will affect the entire h1 element and any other h1 elements that may be on the page. So go pass the quiz, and in the next lesson I might have a little less clothing on, and I will tell you where to stick your CSS.